Hello? Hello?
Well, you're right on time.
What?
I am so sorry, sir. I thought you were... Hi, welcome to Clark Pharmacy. How can I help you?
No, go on. You thought I was who?
No one.
So you do recognize me. Ren Mowers. From the intersection of Clark and Henry Street, Brooklyn, New York. January 12th, 5:33 p.m.
I'm sorry. Should I call someone?
1966, Canary Yellow, Porsche 911, custom plate, cool red. So you do know me?
Can I help you?
Yes, that would be fine.
Your name?
Bridget Ann Webb, 12 3rd Place, apartment 3B, Brooklyn, New York. Ford Ranch Wagon, license plate TCV 3679, registration...
What do you want?
You crashed into my car and then sped away 30 miles over the speed limit.
You have someone else.
I followed you here to your sad little job at my pharmacy and... Wait, it's you. You're the lady who always messes up my prescription.
So you're the angry man always yelling on the phone. No wonder you're on morphine.
Shh. Now you've gone too far. You crashed my precious Canary.
I'm sorry. My foot slipped.
Oh, your foot slipped, did it? What were you wearing? Flip-flops? Swim fins?
Slippers?
Look, just give me your insurance.
You think I can afford insurance? If I could pay for that, I'd be halfway through medical school at least.
You don't have insurance. Great.
What's wrong with the car anyway?
There's a scratch.
I have those all over the place on my car. They're a sign of love.
My ex-fiancée Christy scratched my Canary with her engagement ring, so I broke off the whole relationship.
What? That's horrible.
I know.
That must be when you started taking morphine.
At least she had insurance. I had to repaint the whole car. Now I'm gonna have to get a whole new coat. You know how hard it is to get canary yellow paint?
You're ridiculous.
You're careless. You're just like Christy. Look, you gotta have something. Check, wire.
I have nothing. I'm sorry.
If you don't give me my money today, then I'm suing you.
Fine. Fine. Okay, I'm waiting on someone who's going to bring me my money. My coworker, Stevie, we have this deal going on.
A deal? Like drugs?
No. We've been embezzling baby formula.
Baby formula? Are you serious? Are you... Are you with child?
Are you calling me fat?
No. No.
You're right, it isn't baby formula. It's Valium.
Oh.
No,
Well.
it's bad. I started dealing drugs from here to pay for medical school, and then my coworker Stevie found out, and he threatened to report me unless I let him in on it. I didn't want to do that, but he is really, really controlling.
Yeah. Maybe I can just take your paycheck instead.
Stevie is mad that I ratted him out and he got fired. He's gonna come back in here and get me. I know he will.
Okay, look, you're scared of a guy named Stevie? I mean, come on, that's not even a real name. I can take him.
Get up, Bridget.
Stevie, please.
Oh no, you didn't just take my job, did you? You had to go and take my clients, my value, and now I got nothing. And neither will you.
No!
What? Who's this guy? What are you double dealing?
I owe him some money.
What are you gonna do? Hurt her? Just think about what you're doing.
Empty your pockets right now. And have fun walking, buddy.
Why did you do that?
Can't drive around a car with a scratch on it. Who would do that? It's ruined.
transferred the car over to Mom.
How much did you get for it?
10 grand. It would have been 15 if you hadn't scratched the side door.
Whatever. What?
Man, I just wish I could have kept that Canary 911.